How to make your home more energy efficient and save money. With energy costs rising and environmental concerns growing, many homeowners are looking for ways to reduce their carbon footprint while keeping their utility bills in check. Learning how to make your home more energy efficient not only benefits the planet, but also helps you save money in the long run. From simple changes in daily habits to investing in eco-friendly home upgrades, there are numerous ways to create a more sustainable and cost-effective living space. Upgrade to energy-efficient appliances. Older appliances tend to use more energy than modern, energy-efficient models. If you haven't already, consider replacing your refrigerator, washing machine, and dishwasher with ENERGY STAR certified appliances. These use significantly less energy and water, leading to lower monthly bills. Improve insulation and sealing. One of the biggest culprits of energy waste is poor insulation. Heat escapes through drafty windows, doors, and poorly insulated walls, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Adding insulation to your attic, sealing windows and doors with weather stripping, and using thermal curtains can help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature while reducing energy waste. Invest in smart thermostats. A smart thermostat allows you to program your heating and cooling schedule based on your daily routines, preventing unnecessary energy use when no one is home. Many models even learn your preferences over time, automatically adjusting temperatures to optimize efficiency. Use LED lighting. Switching to LED bulbs is a quick and cost-effective way to lower your energy consumption. LED bulbs use up to 80% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs and last much longer. This simple change can significantly reduce your electricity bill over time. Consider solar panels. While the upfront cost of solar panels may seem high, they provide long-term savings by reducing reliance on grid electricity. Many homeowners who install solar panels see their energy bills drop dramatically, and in some cases, they can even sell excess power back to the grid. Plus, solar power is a renewable energy source, making it one of the best eco-friendly home upgrades available. Reduce water waste. Lowering water consumption is another key aspect of how to make your home more energy efficient. Install low-flow shower heads, faucet aerators, and energy-efficient water heaters to conserve water and reduce heating costs. Fixing leaks promptly can also prevent unnecessary waste and expenses. Be mindful of daily habits. Simple lifestyle changes can have a big impact on your home's energy efficiency. Turn off lights when leaving a room, unplug electronics that aren't in use, and run appliances like dishwashers and washing machines only when they're full. Small adjustments in daily habits can lead to noticeable savings on utility bills. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly reduce energy waste, lower your monthly expenses, and contribute to a more sustainable future.